In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a staging site on WP Engine. This process will help you test changes, updates, and new features without affecting your live website. Creating a staging environment is an essential practice for maintaining a secure and efficient workflow. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and accessing it is as simple as entering your credentials and hitting enter. If you're not sure how to get there, you can find the login page on the WP Engine website. Once you're logged in, you'll be staring right at your WP Engine dashboard, a hub that contains all the sites you're managing. Now, to move forward, select the site environment for which you want to create a staging version. It's important to make sure you're clicking on the right one, especially if you manage multiple sites. This selection will serve as the parent site of your future staging environment. With your site environment selected, it's time to look for the button that says either Add Staging or Add Environment, depending on your plan. Clicking this button initiates the process of setting up your staging environment. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find. It's usually situated near the top of your dashboard page. Once you've clicked the button, the next screen will prompt you to choose staging as the environment type. Selecting the correct environment type here is crucial because it dictates what your environment will be used for. In this case, we want it to serve as a staging area, a draft room if you will, for our website changes. After you've indicated that this will be a staging site, you'll need to enter a name for your staging environment. This could be something like Your Domain Staging. Naming it clearly is helpful not just for organization, but also to avoid any accidental mix-ups with your live site. Once you've given it a name, click Create Environment. At this point, WP Engine will go to work, duplicating your production site into this brand new staging area. This could take a little time, so now might be a good moment to grab a coffee and relax while WP Engine works its magic. You'll know the process is complete when you find a unique staging URL in your dashboard. Something like yourdomainstaging.wpengine.com will pop up. This is your staging site's new home on the web, separate from your live domain, ready and waiting to have changes tested on it. Finally, to start working with your new setup, click WP Admin on the staging site. This allows you to log in just as you would on your production site, giving you the freedom to experiment and test to your heart's content, all without the risk of affecting your live website. And there you have it. Your staging site is ready to use.